Hello, this is a quick video on how to create a Venn diagram that students cannot edit in Google Slides. To begin, open your Google slide and then insert a shape. And if you hit Shift, it makes a perfect circle for you. Now I'm going to edit the color. And then I need to go to Custom and change the transparency because you want the colors on the circles to overlap. Now I'm going to copy this and paste it. Move it over. And now I'm going to edit this one and change the color on this as well. And then change the transparency. And there I have my Venn diagram. Now, this is the important part. You want to download this as an image. So I'm going to go to File, Download as an image, and that will be saved in my downloads. So the next thing that I want to do is insert a new slide. And I want everything to be clear on it. And now this is the key part. I'm going to go to Background, and then I'm going to choose an image, and I want to upload that one that I just created. And done. And so the nice part about this is that everything is locked. Students can't move that Venn diagram around, where in the first one they can. So delete this one. And then from here, you can just continue duplicating that Venn diagram and assign it to students as necessary. Hope this is helpful. Thanks and have a great day.